So we'll finish fast these questions. Question number 15. The perpendicular from the origin to the line y is equal to mx plus c meets it at the point minus 1 comma 2. Find the value of m and c. That is a question. Okay, so rough picture. So always it is better to draw a rough picture. So you have a x-axis, y-axis, and perpendicular from the origin to the line meets the point minus 1 2 minus 1 2 third quadrant में आ रहे, second quadrant में आ रहे, so your line will be something like this. Okay, and the perpendicular from the origin, so origin से perpendicular draw करेंगे तो इधर, so perpendicular draw किया, so what it says is this perpendicular, this is a perpendicular, this meets this line at the point minus 1 comma 2. This line has equation y is equal to mx plus c. Now the question is, what is the value of m and c? Okay. So anyway, minus 1, 2 lies on the line. Minus 1, comma 2 lies on the line. So substitute करो, y is equal to 2 is equal to m into x minus 1 plus c. और आपको मिलेगा 2 is equal to minus m plus c or c minus m, or you can say c minus m is equal to 2. One thing you got, one relation between c and m. Okay, c minus m is equal to 2 because minus 1 2 lies on the line, so that will satisfy the equation of the line. Now we have to find the slope. We can easily find the slope because this origin is 0 0. So from there, okay, if you, so the slope of perpendicular का slope निकालेंगे, change in y over change in x, so 0 minus 2 divided by 0 minus minus 1, this is equal to minus 2 divided by 1, which is equal to minus 2. Slope of perpendicular, so therefore slope of the line क्या आएगा, negative reciprocal, so it is 1 by 2, because if two lines are perpendicular the slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. So perpendicular का slope, इसका slope मिला है -2, so of course the slope of the line should be उसका negative mostly हो जाएगा reciprocal 1 by 2, so slope is 1 by 2. That means m is equal to, from there आपको मिला है m is equal to 1 by 2, m is equal to 1 by 2. So m is equal to 1 by 2. So substitute c minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. C is equal to 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2. Okay. Okay, answer. Clear? Next question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Question number 16. P and Q are lengths of this is important question. P and Q are length of perpendiculars from the origin to the lines x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to k cos 2 theta, and another line x secant theta plus y cosecant theta is equal to k. So rough picture draw करेंगे. So your y axis, x axis, your lines, maybe this is one line, this is another line. Just rough picture draw करें. It is not the exact line, I don't know the graph of that, just a rough picture. So first line has equation, okay, one line has equation x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to k cos 2 theta. Second line has equation x sec theta plus y cosecant theta is equal to k, एंड ओरिजिन से जो परपेंडिकुलर है उसका लेंथ है, सो इधर ओरिजिन से परपेंडिकुलर, इधर भी ओरिजिन से परपेंडिकुलर. फर्स्ट केस में लेंथ इट इज p, second में length of perpendicular is q. That is what it is given. Length of the perpendicular from the origin to the first line is p. Length of the perpendicular from the origin to the second line is q. हमें prove करना है, we have to prove that p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. ओके, सो प्रॉब्लम हमें ऐसे दिखेगा, बहुत हार्ड है करके, कुछ नहीं, बहुत सिंपल है. So what is the distance of a point from a line? Like we know that the distance is a x1 plus b y1 plus c divided by under root a square plus b square, right? This is the distance of a point from the distance of a point from the line, right? If you have a line, point x1 y1, and if you have a line, say there, this is your line, so that line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then the distance from that point to that line is, formula is ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root a square plus b square. Okay, so now coming to that first question, इसको आप ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा a is equal to cos theta, b is equal to minus sin theta, and c is equal to minus k cos 2 theta. Similarly, left side also, if you write ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, आपको मिलेगा a is equal to sec theta, b is equal to cosecant theta, c is equal to माइनस के. ओके, लेफ्ट साइड में आएंगे तो माइनस के हो जाएगा. सो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो, सो फर्स्ट वन का डिस्टेंस पी ए करके बोला, उसका मतलब p इज इक्वल टू मॉडुलस और मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए एक्स वन. सो योर पॉइंट क्या है, 0 0, so your x1 y1 is 0 0, so a into that is cos theta into 0 plus b y1, so minus sin theta into 0 plus c, so c is minus k cos 2 theta divided by under root a square plus b square, so cos square theta plus sin square theta. So फॉर्मूला यूज किया, सो दैट इज आपको मिलेगा p इज इक्वल टू, ये 0 हो जाएगा, दिस वन इज 0 प्लस दिस वन इज 0, बाकी माइनस के कोस 2 थीटा, तो उसका मॉडुलस है तो k cos 2 theta डिवाइडेड बाय cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, so square root of 1 is 1, so आपको मिलेगा p is equal to k cos 2 theta. That's what you got for p. Similarly, you can find q. Q is the distance. So q is the distance of the second line. So there also formula a into, so here a is secant theta into 0 plus b, that is cosecant theta into 0 plus c is minus k divided by under root a square plus b square, so sec square theta plus cosecant square theta. So this is also again here also into 0 0 हो जाएगा plus 0 minus k, so आपको मिलेगा minus k, so minus k उसमें से एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू लेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा k divided by, now under root सीक स्क्वायर को आप 1/cos² थीटा लिख सकते हैं, प्लस कोसेकंड स्क्वायर को 1/sin² थीटा लिख सकते हैं। सो ये आपको मिलेगा, दैट इम्प्लाइज q इज इक्वल टू k डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट, आपको मिलेगा sin² थीटा प्लस cos² थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय sin² थीटा इंटू cos²थीटा। So that is equal to k divided by under root 1. So one divided by, okay, anyway, अंडर रूट चले, sin² थीटा प्लस cos² थीटा इज 1, उसका स्क्वायर रूट 1 डिवाइडेड बाय sin² थीटा cos² थीटा का स्क्वायर रूट sin थीटा cos थीटा। सो दैट विल बी k इंटू sin थीटा cos थीटा, ऊपर जाएगा k sin थीटा cos थीटा, k sin theta cos theta. Or you can do like this, you can write it is k by 2 into 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, इसलिए कि 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सो k by 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta. So in other words it is k by 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta, इसलिए लिखा है कि 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, वो मिलने के लिए लिखा है। उधर 2 नहीं था, हमने 2 से डिवाइड किया, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, इसलिए 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया कि 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, इसलिए किया है। Okay, so k by 2 sin 2 theta, so आपको you got the value of q also. Now so we using the distance formula we got the value of p and q. Now हमें ये प्रूफ करना है कि p स्क्वायर प्लस 4q², सो p स्क्वायर प्लस 4q² इक्वल्स, p का वैल्यू k cos 2 थीटा था, सो k स्क्वायर cos² 2 थीटा प्लस q का वैल्यू k बाई 2 था, सो इट इज k स्क्वायर बाई 4 sin² 2 थीटा, 4q² है, सो इंटू 4 इंटू 4, क्योंकि 4 दिस इज q², इतना इतना q² है इंटू 4, सो क्या होगा, ये 4 कट हो जाएगा, सो बाकी आपको मिलेगा k² कॉमन, सो यू कैन टेक k² कॉमन, बाकी आपको मिलेगा cos² 2 थीटा प्लस sin² 2 theta. Cos² 2 theta plus sin² 2 theta is 1. So k² into 1, which is equal to k². So it is hence proved. Got it? So distance formula use करके आप p and q का वैल्यू निकाला, then substitute कर दिया. Okay, clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, shall we move to next question now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 17. In the triangle ABC with vertices, okay, this a triangle is given. Rough picture draw कर दो. So triangle. So A, B, C. So this is A, which is given as 2, 3. B, it is given as 4, -1. C, it is given as 1, 2. Now, so what we have to do is um, find the equation and the length of the altitude from the vertex A. So vertex A से altitude मतलब perpendicular draw करना पड़ेगा. So इधर से perpendicular draw किया. So this is perpendicular. So what we have to do is we have to find the length of altitude equation also. Equation भी चाहिए, length भी चाहिए. So equation चाहिए तो कम से कम एक point and slope चाहिए. So एक point तो है, अभी slope निकालना. So you can find the slope of BC and this is a perpendicular, so it is negative reciprocal. So you can find slope of BC. So इसको आप P नाम करो. Slope of BC is equal to change in y, that is 2 minus -1 divided by change in x, 1 minus 4, 2 minus 2 plus 1, which is 3, divided by -3, which is equal to -1. Okay, so Therefore slope of AP is perpendicular to BC. Therefore slope of AB is negative. -1 का minus plus हो जाएगा. Reciprocal 1 का reciprocal is what? So okay, now equation of that line. So therefore equation of AP is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1, the point is 2 comma 3. So y minus 3 is equal to slope 1 into x minus 2, or y minus 3 is equal to x minus 2, or you can say x y right side में जाएंगे तो minus y, minus 3 right side में जाएंगे तो plus 3, minus 2 plus 3 that is 1, so plus 1 which is equal to 0. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now हमें लेंथ ऑफ द ऑल्टीट्यूड चाहिए. सो ऑल्टीट्यूड का लेंथ कैसे मिलेगा? ये एक तो if you know this point, if you know the coordinate of that point, you can easily find using distance formula. But तो इधर हमें तो point पता नहीं, so how will you find that? How can we find that? If we know the point P, it is okay. We can easily use the distance formula to find the distance between A and P. But here we don't know what is the coordinates of P. So that will not work. So what to do to find the distance of the point A from, or actually the distance AP, length of the altitude, matlab it is nothing but length of AP is nothing but length of the perpendicular from A to the line BC. So आप फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं, जैसे ये x1 प्लस by1 प्लस c डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर, बिकॉज डिस्टेंस मतलब परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस होगा ना, शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस होगा. बट उसके लिए आपको चाहिए इक्वेशन, यू नीड इक्वेशन ऑफ BC, इक्वेशन ऑफ BC चाहिए. So 2 points, you know, so you consider one point as x1 y1, another point as x2 y2, or you can use, already you have the slope, you can use point slope form also, it's up to you. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 use कर सकते हैं. So y minus y1, y minus minus 1, so that is y plus 1 is equal to slope minus 1 into x minus 4. So y plus 1 is equal to minus x plus 4. So x right side में आएगा x plus y, 1 4 left side में जाएगा minus 4. So 1 minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. So you got the equation of BC. So now this is equals a into, the point is 2 3. So a into, so don't confuse with these all x1 y1 and all those things. Okay, a into, a मतलब इधर 1 into 2 plus b is also 1 because BC का equation है x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. So उधर a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 3. So 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3, so by1 plus c is minus 3, divided by under root 1 square plus 1 square. So 1 into 2, 2 plus 3, 5 minus 3, 2. So 2 divided by 1 plus 1, 2, root 2. So 2 divided by root 2, which is equal to root 2. So that is the distance, root 2 units. Okay, so that is the distance of this point from this. And AP का length मतलब it is the perpendicular distance from B to C. It is nothing but the distance. Whenever we take the distance, it is the shortest distance. So AP का length is nothing but it is the distance of the point A from the line BC. So distance formula use करके हमने distance निकाला है. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. No.
Then last question, question number 18. If P is the length of the perpendicular from the origin to the line whose intercepts on the axis are A and B. तो रफ पिक्चर बताएंगे. X एक्स वाई एक्सिस, आपके एक लाइन, इस लाइन का इंटरसेप्ट से A and B. So this point is say some A comma 0. Here the point is 0 comma B. Then P is the length of the perpendicular. मतलब आप origin से perpendicular draw किया, this one, this distance, this is perpendicular and that distance is P. So एक line, उसका x intercept is A, y intercept is B, distance from the origin is P. Now we have to prove that 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Okay, so this is also the same, you can use the same technique, like this point is origin, so that means distance is equal to P. Origin से distance बोला है P. So हमें line का equation चाहिए. line का equation क्या है? X by A plus Y by B is equal to 1. Intercept form. Equation of the line is X by A plus Y by B is equal to 1. So in other words, X by A plus y by b minus 1 is equal to 0. Now ये हो गया ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 फॉर्म. तो इसमें से आपको a का वैल्यू मिलेगा 1 by a, b का वैल्यू मिलेगा 1 by b, c का वैल्यू मिलेगा -1, बिकॉज ax plus by plus c, that is ऐसे 1 by a into x plus 1 by b into y, ax plus by minus c is equal to 0 form. So you got the value of a, b and c. Now we know that distance is p. So that means distance is p. That means p is equal to, that is p is equal to p is equal to a into, so 1 by a into x1, that is 0, plus b into 1 by b into y1, that is 0, plus c is -1, divided by under root a square plus b square. A is 1 by a, so 1 by a का square 1 by a square plus b square, 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So आपको मिलेगा p is equal to 0 plus 0 -1 का square root 1, -1 का absolute value 1 divided by under root 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So अभी इधर क्या करेंगे, दोनों साइड स्क्वायर करेंगे, स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स. बोथ साइड स्क्वायर करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा पी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 बाई ए स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाई बी स्क्वायर. सो उसका मतलब दैट इम्प्लाइज, दिस इम्प्लाइज take the reciprocal on both sides, like that means just take the reciprocal. So 1 by p square is equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Two expressions are same. What we did is we took the reciprocals on both sides. So from there we got it is correct, enough. When we took the reciprocal, we got it as a, 1 second. Yeah, got it. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all.